My university email sucks. How is it any different than any other emails? That's what I used to think as well. But it turns out that it's actually a lot more powerful than normal emails. Imagine getting tools that companies charge $10, $20, even $50 a month for 100% free. In this video, I'll break down 5 premium tools you can get for completely free. Let's dive right in, starting with one of my favorite tools, Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, project management, knowledge bases, and personal productivity. The Pro plan normally costs $8 a month, but if you're a student with a .edu email, you get it for completely free. Next, a hidden gem for coders, Cursor, the ultimate AI coding assistant. Cursor is built on top of GPT-4 and can autocomplete your codes, fix bugs, explain codes line by line, even refactor entire files using natural language. And it's completely free for students. Now my top 3. Figma is one of the most powerful design tools in the whole world. And as a student, you get Figma Pro absolutely free. That means unlimited files, team collaboration, version history, team libraries, and real-time collaboration. To get the education plan, apply with your school email or student ID and you'll be upgraded in 1 to 2 days. Next up, my personal favorite, Webflow. The only reason it is in number 2 is because number 1 literally blew my mind. But still, I'd say it's pretty much a tie. Webflow lets you build fully responsive websites without writing a single line of code. And with Webflow for Education, students get a CMS site plan for a year for completely free. That saves you almost $300. What does that mean? You can launch a blog, portfolio, or a personal website hosted for free with a custom domain. To apply, go to webflow.com/education, fill out their form with your credentials. Now the number 1, the GitHub Student Developer Pack, a goldmine for students who code. GitHub partnered with over 100 companies to offer premium tools to students, completely free. Here's just a taste of what you get. Free domains, free cloud credits for Heroku and DigitalOcean, Replit Hacker Plan, free IDEs, free courses from MongoDB Atlas, Frontend Mentor Pro, and more, and whatnot. Like, there's literally 100 companies offering their premium services all in one place. All you have to do is go to education.github.com, sign in with your GitHub account, and verify your student status with a school email or ID card. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.